Hello, today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 2, page number 1, and the topic is nouns naming words. Here it is written, see, the dog followed the boy. Dog is the name of animal, boy is the name of a person. A noun is the name of a person or thing. Not only this, noun is the name of a place, name of animal, and you can tell actually name of anything is called noun. So after this we are getting one exercise here, that is find the nouns in these sentences, write them in your book. So you will write in your book, I am just underlining here what are the nouns. Let's start. The first sentence here we are getting the windows was broken. In this place by the word window we are getting one thing's name, that's why this is noun. 2 number, I lost my knife. Here by the word knife we are getting a name of a thing, so that's why this is noun. 3 number, this pencil is too short. Here by the word pencil we are getting one thing's name, so that's why this is also a noun. The cake was stale. Here cake is stood for a name, that's why it's a noun. The bird flew away. Here we have got a name with the word bird, so that's why bird is a naming words and that's why this is a noun. The sea beat against the rocks. In this sentence we will get two nouns. See, by the word sea and by the word rocks we are getting name, so that's why these two are nouns here. 7 number, the dog barked at the postman. In this place also we are getting two nouns. By the words dog we are getting a name of animal and by the word postman we are getting a image of or name of a person, so that's why this is also a noun. So there are two nouns. Summer is the warmest season. Same thing is going to happen here. It means there are also two nouns. By the word summer we are getting the name of season, so that's why this is also a noun and season itself a name, so that's why this is noun. 9 number, the plane landed safely. In this place the word plane is indicating name, so that's why this is a noun. Only one apple was left in the dish. Here we are finding two words which show name. These are apple and dish, so here these are nouns. So let's do next exercise. What is written there? Let's see. Here B number exercise, name 3 things you must find in these places. Use your dictionary. I am helping you. Without dictionary some you can write this, you can take the help of dictionary. I am helping by my way, you can follow my one, but it will be better if you try by yourself. Okay. So 1 number here, a toy shop, what we can see or what we can find or we find in a toy shop, we find like bicycle, train, doll. 2 number, a farmyard, what do we find there? We find there cow, cat, chicken. Okay. And 3 number, a kitchen. So this is so easy, you know, and you every day you enter over there. So these are what we find there. These are knife. We will write only 3 things, not more than this. Okay, the question has asked you to write only 3. So knife, spoon, and we also get over there cups, plate, right here cups. Okay. Next one, a railway station. What do we find there? Phone number, railway station, we find there train, trolley and platform and many other things also. Okay. You find there people, children, so old people, and sometimes there are screens, so you can write many things over there. 5 number, a car, so there are wheel, tire, mirror, Okay. 6 number, if we write a hospital, there we can write what? We can write doctor, nurse, patient. Okay. 7 number, in a cinema, what we get over there? People, we find people. Then seat, there are many seats in the cinema hall, and screen, there is a big screen. Okay, and many other things. 8 number, a church. A church, who have the experience to enter in the church, they can see altar, then lectern, then pulpit, and many other things also. Okay, there are stage or something. So hope you have understood today's topic easily. Next time we will do page number 2. There we will find the topic, that is verbs, doing words. Bye for today.